Hi everyone, how are you doing all? I hope that everybody are doing good. And so this is the time for visual classes. So these visual classes will be helpful for you, and you will be doing your work at home, question answers and all. So today chapter 3 from geography I have taken, that is water resources, and from the water resources we will discuss a little bit, and only few minutes I will take time for doing that. As water is natural resources, and we know that is the gift of God, and it's the renewable resources. But without water there is no life, and life with water is also a very problematic. If there is no water, so that's the biggest problem. There are famine and droughts, so there will be no crops, and even life of public will be abnormal. So same like that, when there is a lot of water, so look at that tsunami and flood, so that also will be the another problem. So let's see the water, and how olden people were preserved, and how it is useful for us. Even we use it daily, we domestic purpose, even industries purpose. So a lot of utilization of water is life, there is no doubt. Without water we cannot live, and we also same like fish, right? So we may live for some hours, just like fish cannot live for I think 1 hour or something like that, but 2-3 days after we are also the same like that, right? Okay, so let's look at the book. If you have, or otherwise just follow me, and just listen some of introduction of you already know that 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. 71% is water, and 29% is land. Among the 71% is, fresh water is very less. The proportion is I think 2%. 2% is fresh water. So the biggest proportion of hydrological sphere is situated in oceans. Mostly the ocean, water of ocean is huge, but we cannot drink, we cannot utilize for the domestic purpose and all. So fresh water which human use, right? So there is a hydrological process, as everybody we know that the hydrological process, that run of water, right? So evaporation, precipitation, condensation, saturation, this is the cycle of hydrological. So hydrological water, runoff water, so groundwater, water, all the water bodies together, that water resources that we are going to study. And we will find the scarcities, how the scarcity of water, how utilization of water, now how the pollution is being created by the water, and what is the remedies and all. Even in this chapter we are going to discuss about dams, right? So modern temples, it is called modern temples, dams. We are multi-purpose dams, and irrigations, canals, and different channels are made for the water resources to store. And what is the olden days, and now new days, in the modern days, how we are preserving water, how much we are utilizing the water. So that's we will talk about it. Oh, you might wonder that, so the 3/4 of water is covered, and it's a renewable resources also. Then how it is countries are becoming suffering from the water scarcity, and it is said that 2025 most of the countries will be facing acute shortage of water. So it's a renewable resources, and how that we are going to face that much of problems, and all this we will discuss in the next class. And today is just an introduction class, so it was, Just to get ready for classes regularly. As usual, we will carry on the classes, and be at home, and be safe. Thank you so much.